I'm trying to shoot, but... Oh, hold on.
I got him! I killed him! I killed him! I killed him!
Tally 2, Tally 2. Just lock him up. Please, shoot him, Fox 2.
Make it sound
I have a
blue rays
fucking
all around you.
So what? Good kill, good kill.
I've already started.
Okay. I don't think he knows I'm on here yet. Lower bridge.
I wonder where the fuck he's going.
No, he knows I'm on here. He's not on the bridge. Oh, fuck. This has become a fight.
Stay hidden. Stay hidden. Just stay hidden. I'm on my way.
Okay. Here's what we're gonna do.
No, he's gaining on me, dude. I just hold on. I'm at 7
All right,
GM.
I'm gonna go to the upper
7.3
bridge.
GM. He's still moving. Fuck.
Yeah,
See if you could stop the warp.
I might be able to. Do you want to try
You can
and...
get in the ship, turn off all the systems, and I'll catch up. By the time he gets back up, I should be on him, and I'll just start shooting.
I can try. One moment. And force him to go back to the pilot seats.
Exactly, yeah.
One sec. Let me see if I can do this.
This is why I love this game. So many possibilities to fuck with your enemy.
Alright, that's a gunner's seat. I need a fucking...
Oh, dude, if you start shooting and he sees that one of his guns are going off and he didn't do it, he'll freak the fuck out. Where should I attack the ship from?
I don't know just yet. Hold on. Hold on, because I'm busy trying to keep myself alive.
He's still a ways away from me. Fuck.
Stand by. He's going to Crusader?
He's going to Crusader?
Yep.
So should I just...
Okay, I've shut him down.
Yeah! Oh shit! Oh god! 6.8,
Now he-
6.7, 6.5.
now he
yeah,
knows.
I'm gaining on him now.
Now he knows.
Do you think it knocked him down if he wasn't in a seat?
Probably.
So it gives me some time too. Oh man, where are you right now?
I don't know. I'm a little busy right now.
I'm 4 GM away, dude. Just stay alive. If I can get him in my sights, I can attack him.
Alright, I've managed.
2.0. Here we go. 1.5.
Okay.
Oh my god, I hope he doesn't go back online before we can... Okay, here we go. 1,000.
I don't know where he's at in the ship.
It doesn't matter. He's gonna run straight back to the fucking cockpit the second he feels he's getting attacked. Trust me, it's what I would do. He'd be foolish to run to a fucking... Right target. T? I think I see him.
You think you see him? Is he outside of the ship?
I think I see the ship is what I mean.
Oh, yeah, probably.
How do I pick a target?
Hit T. It'll highlight the ship. God, there just gotta be. Is there anyone? I've gotta look.
I'm not seeing it yet.
Comms, channels.
Wait. Rex, open your mobile glass, go to maps, and zoom in completely. Then you see the map of the ship.
Yeah, yep. But it doesn't show me where he's at. That's the issue.
Oh, he doesn't. Oh,
No.
shit.
Dude, I'm trying to make it there. I'm 480.
Yes. Okay. He started the ship again.
No, fuck. I'm not.
It's all right. It's all right.
I'm
It's all right.
480. I'm trying to shoot, but. Oh, hold on.
I got him! I killed him! I killed him! I killed him!
Yes! Where was he?
He fucking got back into his ship. Holy fuck!
Oh shit!
Ah, fuck yeah, baby! Oh fuck! I gotta figure out where the fuck we are in space. Oh fuck! All right, I need you to come pick me up.
I am on my way.
All right. Oh fuck! Woo! God, I haven't had a fucking adrenaline rush like that in such a long fucking time. Oh, yes! Get fucking wrecked, noob!
He's probably wondering what the fuck just went.
Oh, man.
Nobody's raging in chat yet.
I'm trying to see that right now. Quick, hide the pollution, get wrecked, noob. My little homie lit y'all up. What do you do to help? Flew the shit.
That's old.
Yeah.
Spell Carrack. C-A-R...
Double R.
R-R-I-C-K?
Yep. Carrack.
Okay.
Nice Carrack. Oh shit. I blasted right past you. Can I land my ship in there? You think my ship would fit?
Thank you for the Carrack, man. Cosmorg team says thanks, Bob. Oh, fuck. No, you can't land inside the ship, but what we can do is we can strip his armor. So go ahead and come up to the top here, and we can steal his ship, because it's going to take him a minute to get back to us where we are.
Should we fly somewhere else?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to have you guys scrap this out and just, you know.
Well, fly it. We'll go somewhere else. And then...
Well, first we have to get rid of his body,
Why?
because the body will give you a death marker.
Oh, okay. Trying to see where this...
La-dee-dee. At least it's been giving us death markers. I don't know if they still have that. We've all died recently. Has it given anybody a death marker for you guys? Because I have not been getting
Now
one.
that you mention it, I don't know. But let's get rid of the body anyways.
Yep. We'll go to the capnography deck, which is the top deck. Beautiful. Would you like his armor, by the way? He has some really nice armor.
Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck happened? Robert says hello.
I don't know if that's this guy or not.
No.
Oh, fuck. Alright,
I am going to the top.
Copy.
Actually, can I
Well-
take his fucking...
Oh, I can't because it's locked.
I
you're
just
locked
died.
inside?
I'm locked
I just
inside.
died.
No, that's what happened to me.
I just died and I'm in Aberdeen.
Oh, that's sad. Alright, so what I'm gonna do then
Hold
is... Well, actually, there's a... Hold on, because there's a fucking... I'm trying to remember where the fuck... Because there's like a gate that you can open up as well.
Taking this guy's guns.
Did you get on board?
No, his ship.
Oh, gotcha.
I think that's the caveat to fucking stealing ships. Because that's what happened to me.
So we would have to soft death it.
You have to what?
Soft death it?
What is that?
Basically, what you do is... Oh, come on, you. Fuck. Shoot the ship until it goes into a partial destruction mode, and then stop shooting the ship.
I can do that.
Well, hold on, because I'm going to see if I can't get one of these hangar doors open.
Does this Carrack have guns? Because I am not able to detach any.
They might be sealed in. Oh, wait. Why am I being dumb? Go to the catwalk. Why am I being dumb?
Well, I got fucking 8 hours in 8 hours in the thing.
Do you
The
really?
jail time. Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, in jail time?
Yep.
Damn. Yo, the bridge on this Carrack is pretty dope.
Right?
Not gonna lie.
We actually have one in the org.
We do have a Carrack in
Carrack?
there. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You have not met him yet, but Wendigo has one.
I'm gonna stop the recording.
Yeah, probably a good idea.